Hey, what's up guys, I'm Balshankar back with another video, and this is the second episode of PC builds. And in this episode, I'm gonna build a 50,000 rupee PC. The main objective of the PC is going to be a gaming beast which can handle almost any games thrown into it and a decent video production machine. And for that, my CPU of choice was Intel Core i5-4460. But I couldn't manage to get one, so in this build it's gonna be a 4440 processor, that's 3.1 GHz quad core processor. But if you could manage to get one, go for 4460. 4440 is a balanced hi-fi processor with less power consumption and a better performance. And there is no much of heating going to be in the processor, so stock cooler was pretty much all I need. For the graphics card, I went with a mid-ranger, that's Nvidia GTX Strike 750 Ti, 4GB. Well, one might say 4GB might be an overkill, but 4GB it's pretty much basic if you're going to run this graphics card in a multi-monitor setup. As far as the motherboard, Gigabyte's H9733H found the spot in my bed. It's one among the cheapest H97 and a LGA 1150 capable motherboard with AMD Crossfire. In terms of its I/O, it's got a 4 USB 3.0, a 2 USB 2.0 ports, 6 3.5mm audio interface jack, HDMI, VGA and a DVI along with Ethernet and PS2 port. In terms of its other port, it's got a PCIe X16 slot, PCIe X4 port, 2 PCI ports, 4 dual channel, DDR3 RAM slot, 3 USB 2.0 header, 1 USB 3.0 header capable of powering 2 front USB 3.0s, 4 fan slots, 4 SATA ports and a 2 SATA ports capable of handling a read and write speed up to 6 GB. For the RAM, I went with a Corsair Vengeance 8GB 1x8GB RAM. I also picked up a 1TB hard disk and a 250GB Intel SSD for faster booting and program loading, and an optional LG DVD writer just to make some of my work easier. And powering everything is Cooler Master 50W power supply inside a Circle CC A30 gaming cabinet. In terms of its performance, as I said, this PC is capable of doing whatever you throw at it. GTA 5 was smooth in gameplay even at ultra settings, and that's pretty much the same for many games like Minecraft, FIFA 15, Sims 4, City Skylines. And this PC is also capable of high intense video editing. In fact, this very video was edited on this very PC. So what do you guys think? Also hit that like button if you wanna see a full gaming review and a benchmark of this very PC. And as it always is guys, thank you guys for watching, it means a lot to me. If you like this video, make sure to put us a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more. Thank you.